morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It's February 26th. Now we got the markets taking a break, at least to start the day off. It seems like I've said that the last few days, and we end up working higher once again. Corn, though, right now down about 1.50 pennies. You got beans down 5. Wheat market down about 2 1/4 cents. So maybe finding a little bit of a profit-taking break here today. But then again, maybe not. We'll see what happens when the funds come back in. They've been the ones that have been in the driver's seat of this market, pushing it quite a bit higher, specifically in the beans. A lot of issues around the beans. A lot of talk of export sales. A surprise yesterday. 568,000 tons of beans to China. Are we going to see more of this? Is this shipment something they're going to cancel later? We don't know. All I can tell you is that it is a shipment. It did come out, has not been changed yet, and a lot of people still waiting to see at this 8 o'clock time frame whether or not we're going to see cancellations. We haven't seen any yet. So right now, when you look at where we're booked, a lot of estimates are coming out that we're probably 50 to 90 million bushel over USDA's number that they have for the entire year. So 50 to 90 million bushel, well, we've got 150 million carryout. That's what these guys right now are getting extremely bullish on as far as beans, because they are booked. And guess what? China came in and booked more. So we need to be a little cautious of that. A lot of guys are expecting to see some kind of cancellations, but we just haven't seen them yet. And with the port problems that we've got going on in South America, well, it might get pushed off a little bit later. So we'll see what goes on. Today, the big thing is to see if the funds are going to come in here, continue to push this. We've had a nice technical rally up to $14 for that March contract. That was kind of the target that we were going to run to. Well, we did. The old highs was $13.99 3/4. So we just barely went above it. As I mentioned, we're breaking back a little bit today. So are we going to see some profit taking now that we've hit these levels? Or are the funds going to come in and extend their long position and continue to push higher? You know, that's still waiting to be seen. So watch 8 o'clock, see if we get any more sales today, or find out if we're going to get cancellations. But watch these funds as well. As far as corn and wheat, not a lot to talk about there. We did have some cancellations in wheat yesterday. We saw an early break, but once again, market came back. We actually closed pretty strong again for wheat. A lot of concerns of cold weather moving in and looking for some kind of damage as far as the winter wheat crop. But we'll see if that does hold. As I mentioned, wheat right now down about 2 1/4 cents. Some of the outside markets today, we've got stock market up about 13 points, gold down 10. We got silver down about 40 cents right now, with the dollar up about 14 cents. Or 14 points. So the dollar continues to rally. Maybe we'll see some of this commodity buying slow down a little bit, but we've got to start watching. Watch that. That's been an indicator. It seems like as soon as that breaks and we see the dollar down again, we see this commodity buying just come flowing in. But some of the reports out today, we've got new home sales coming out at 9 o'clock Central Time. They're expecting about 3.5% decline there. Retail earnings out as well today. So these are all factors that may end up kind of pushing these outside markets a little bit. Livestock, cattle, very strong day yesterday. We're up 67 cents right now. Box beef coming in strong again. So choice up 68, select up $1.31. Keeping some very good support under this market. Really getting us hyped up here on cattle once again. And then in hogs, a strong day yesterday. Cutout values were very strong again overnight, up $1.29. We've got that April contract now above that the $100 mark. We're at 101.05 right now, up another 40 cents overnight. So as far as livestock, very strong markets right now. You've got the funds concerned about PED for hogs, really ramping up these back months and pushing them into new highs as well. So things to all look at here today. If you've got questions, we're here to answer those for you. Also, we've got our acreage survey out there. We need your help filling that out. Get online. Give us those numbers once you have them. We greatly appreciate that. We've done very well with this and want to get you guys the best information that we can and compile the most data as we can to really give you more of an educated idea of what's going on as far as acreage this year. So give us a call. Reach us here at 800-262-7538 or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today. We'll talk to you again later. Take care.